In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning website using manage.wix.com and www.wix.com. Whether you're setting up a new blog, an online store, or a portfolio, Wix offers an intuitive platform to bring your vision to life. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, make your way to Wix.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's super easy to sign up and get started. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, which is the control center for managing all your site projects. From here, you will see an option that says Create New Site. Click on it. This initiates the setup process. Now you need to select the type of editor you'd like to work with. Choose Editor Create from Scratch rather than using the Wix AI Builder. This will take you to the classic Wix editor or the latest Wix Studio, where you have complete control over the design process. This choice gives you the flexibility to manually design your site the way you envision it. Once you've created your project, you'll find a prompt on your screen saying continue to dashboard. Simply click on it to proceed. This action moves you to the main workspace where all the design magic happens. Here you'll find options such as design site. Click this to begin crafting the look and feel of your site. Next, it's time to pick a template. When you click on pick a template, you're whisked away to the vast Wix template library. These are organized by categories like business, blog, portfolio, and online store. Browse through and find something that resonates with the concept for your website. If you want to build from the ground up, you can also opt for a blank template. With your template chosen, the next step is to customize your layout. Use the plus add button on the left toolbar to introduce elements such as text, images, and buttons. You're armed with a simple drag and drop interface to place elements wherever you desire. This part is about more than just aesthetics. It's about making the user experience seamless and engaging. Then, it's essential to create your site's pages. Head to Menus and Pages on the side toolbar to add and arrange pages like Home, About, Services, and Contact. The way you structure and organize these will influence how visitors navigate through your site. Styling your website is another crucial phase. Use the theme manager to select fonts, colors, and background styles. You're encouraged to manually customize each component to flow with your brand identity. Feel free to sprinkle in animations for added vibrance. Don't forget to optimize the design for mobile. Switch to mobile view via the top toolbar. Ensure all elements fit well on smaller screens, making adjustments as needed. Finally, once everything looks perfect, click Publish at the top right. You can opt for a Wix subdomain or connect your own domain if you have one. Conclude with Save and Continue to ensure your work is preserved. And there you have it, a beautifully curated Wix site ready to capture the world's attention. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you explore Wix's features, the more adept you'll become at crafting exceptional websites.